Ashley. Ashley Bedeck, you remember the name? Wife, mom, influencer, bit of my lane. Wake up, camera on, it's another busy day. Cooking in the kitchen, hair bundles on the way. Packing for flight while I motivate and pray. OOTD dripping, yeah, the fist stay clean. Ashley Bedeck, living every mama dream.
Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Today I've teamed up with UNICE. We're going to be doing a beautiful, straight out of the box, beginner friendly lace wig install. This one here is a beautiful, upgraded Yaki straight 7x5 Bye Bye lace wig. She comes set as a curved side part with this beautiful highlight Yaki straight texture, kinky straight texture. She has an upgraded cap with the drawstring at the nape, as well as the anti-slip technology here at the nape with the 3 medical grade strips, as well as around the entire nape. This means that when you put your wig on, she's going to sit in place, not slip back at all. And then the pre-everything cap construction, of course, is the icing on the cake. As I mentioned, we're going to do an install today. It's going to be nice and glueless, and then from there we're going to do 2 styles. We're going to start off by slaying her straight out of the box exactly as she comes with that beautiful side part, and then from there we'll switch it up to a center part and maybe add a little bit of body curls like so, just to show you guys the versatility of this beautiful girl. I'm not going to talk your ear off, so if you want to see how we got this look and catch a vibe with me and see how we got this look for real, let's get started.
And the kids stay cute. Ashley Bedeck, you remember the name? Wife, mom, influencer, bit of my lane. Wake up, camera on, it's another busy day. Cooking in the kitchen, hair bundles on the way. Packing for a flight while I motivate and pray. OOTD dripping, she keep diamond Dakota and diamond it clean. Ashley Bedeck, living every mama dream. Mom life, boss life, vlog life too. Everybody watching what Ashley gon' do. Cook, hustle, travel, yeah, that's the mood. Pretty, paid, positive, and the kids stay cute. Ashley Bedeck, you remember the name? Wife, mom, influencer, bit of my lane. Ashley Bedeck, Ashley Bedeck, Ashley Bedeck, Ashley Bedeck, Ashley Bedeck, Ashley Bedeck, yeah, Ashley Bedeck, you remember the name? Ashley Bedeck, you remember the name? Ashley Bedeck, boom. Ashley Bedeck, you remember the name? Wife, mom, influencer, building my lane. Wake up, camera on, it's another busy day. Cooking in the kitchen, hair bundles on the way. Packing for a flight while I motivate and pray. OOTD dripping, yeah, the fist stay clean. Ashley Bedeck, living every mama dream. Mom life, boss life, vlog life too. Everybody watching what Ashley gon' do. Cook, hustle, travel, yeah, that's the move. Pretty, paid, positive, and the kids stay cute. Ashley Bedeck, you remember the name? Wife, mom, influencer, bit of my name. Ashley Bedeck, Ashley Bedeck, Ashley Bedeck, you remember the name? Ashley Bedeck, Ashley Bedeck, you remember the name? 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 Ashley Bedeck, Ashley Bedeck, you remember the name? Ashley Bedeck, yeah. Ashley Bedeck, you remember the name? Ashley Bedeck, yeah. Ashley Bedeck, you remember the name? Wife, mom, influencer, bit of my lane. Wake up, camera on, it's another busy day. Cooking in the kitchen, hair bundles on the way. Packing for flight while I motivate and pray. OOTD dripping, yeah, the fist stay clean. Ashley Bedeck, living every mama dream. Mom life, boss life, vlog life too. Everybody watching what Ashley gon' do. Cook, hustle, travel, yeah, that's the mood. Pretty, paid, pose. Ashley Bedeck, you remember the name? Wife, mom, influencer, bit of my lane. Cook up, camera on, it's another busy day. Cooking in the kitchen, hair bundles on the way. Packing for a flight while I motivate and pray. OOTD dripping, yeah, the fist stay clean. Ashley Bedeck, living every mama dream. Mom life, boss life, vlog life too. Everybody watching what Ashley gon' do. Cook, hustle, travel, yeah, that's the move. Pretty, paid, pose. Ashley Bedeck, you remember the name? Wife, mom, influencer, building my lane. Ashley Bedeck, yeah. Ashley Bedeck, you remember the name? Wife, mom.
Okay, love bugs, we are officially done with this look, or at least for now. You guys know I always say we can always continue to play with and perfect our wigs forever until we don't have them anymore, right? So this one here comes courtesy of Eunice, as I mentioned. This here is a beautiful highlight bob vibe. She comes preset as a curved side part, and she has this beautiful natural yaki texture. We did 2 different styles, or maybe technically 3. We did the side part, which is how it came, with a beautiful like blunt straight cut. We switched it up after that to this beautiful center part, just to show you how to switch it up and add a little bit of versatility to your wig. And then I wanted to show you guys just adding a little bit of texture with curl. It is a yaki texture, so you know, naturally it is what it is. So as I mentioned, this one did come from Eunice, and this is the traditional packaging with the beautiful logo. So here just gives you like washing and care instructions inside your box. That way you most certainly won't be able to forget, as well as your QR codes, scan to download our app. Really nice. And then your wig guide. So they don't leave you hanging by any means with this one. And then from there, we did get a pack of our UNICE HD wig caps. We got a melt belt, which we love. And then we also got a sheet of the Bye Bye Knots wig tape. If you are a tape girly, this definitely will last you a great while. And as I mentioned, this one here is a 7x5 Bye Bye Knots lace wig in the length 14 inches. Any additional details that I'm leaving out, of course, is in the description box. This of course also is an upgraded cap, as I mentioned in the beginning, where you get that nice drawstring that's going to help the wig to be glueless, as well as that anti-slip technology. Of course, it's a pre-everything cap construction, so literally put it on and go and slay, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, I have a direct link and all the details to this beautiful girl down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.